Resource kai ni pagkita mala le hose kumana le hose kuno hose talo le hose ni no jet patu pata pagkita pali sosi ni do pada patu pata ta ama no pasana ke pay ni le hose kuni chakora pagkita mala no so hose ni pagkita mala awe marketing tota do awe bale winamo awe ba hini ama love whatever da no kwa makama kwara adu athaku ko no awe ka bale hima no kasa yo mo no ahi ko no phe bekle phakwa tama ta te pha tse ko mo no tama ta te pha ne bekle phakwa mo no ba mnu akho le pakba sigatuda de le no we want to read about Hosea, no? Hosea, no? Because Hosea wife and children. No? Honey, Hosea apo do, no? Apo do, pagkita no? Apo do, ama, agito no? Pero pagkita mala, when the Lord began to speak through Hosea, no? Pe kasayua. Awaka to hota la so siane, no? Suosiane, the Lord said to him, no, Yuani Siba Hosea, no? Him Sidana Mina Hosea. Go take to yourself an adulterous wife and children of unfaithfulness, because the land is guilty of the no, violence, adultery, no? Payne villas no corala villas no adultery and departed from the Lord no departed from the Lord Payne takatura bakala taita cluwayne siwedile you are ugly no you are ugly so say a quatini debra no you are siba who so sini lene ma bakaro tama no Tama kamamu kama kwa do no pagina ma kamamu kama kwa apu parki no tama kamamu kama kwa do ma kamamu kama kwa apu parki agiri I kwa ko pu le da ywa da do no kwa ko pu le da ywa da do ma kamamu kama kwa duma no kwa ko pu ne le da ywa ko da do ma kama kwa duma ne lo no le ta ko da do no Payne awete wada dile so he marries Gomer no Gomer daughter of the no pagidar mala dilem and she conceived and born him a son no she conceived and born him a son no pagidar ma Payne no pagidar mala so Hosea ne no so ne aware lewe or he ni weda dibale apumu nokumo no dibale apumu korala nokumo no do aweda de tora sisa ne weda apu kwa no apu kwa daga no apu kwa no sisa ne wela apu kwa lo no do sisa ne apu kwa wini Payne peke kwa Later mata del padilla then the Lord said to Hosea no we brought a kasaywa severa so Hosea no call him korala no Jezreel no ko wala amila Jezreel pame pakanyoni kwera la Payne nama ko amila no Yerila no Yerila Payne Jerila no kwani Jezreel sidane no kwani Jerila no Jerila no kwani kabako wedin basana kilo paganyo ko wala no Yerila no Payne ni pagtinya la no Namako mila Jezreel because I will soon punish the house of Jehu for the no pagdana massacre no Masarid and Jezreel, and I will put an end to the kingdom of Israel. No, pagkita naman, pane, no, Takamakataki, no, Pagatamala, a one name for Ishila Po, a quo, no, Tamakataki. Paglequalo, Le Taquethani Dile, no. Yosiba, you a miller, no, Pagatama Yisrela, no, Yisrela, no, at gay a good e o di the supodo yaka masertala Yisrela. Now a 3 ago, la saw ye who a he po no a poco do yagadu suti Israela a pahibo a bomb no yaka no yagadu suti no a winning no yagadu suti Israela a pahipo a duma no but the mala paisa put it by me pola a one no Pasana like a bamanu hula casava error do suti vele penny. So who sene kasaya mala le hinevada pa makamamu kama kwa adu a turklani no merle le hini a ma penny no no penny no tapamu when a wet dirt away no sisane a pukwadaka no tako a miller jisra no little quarter on a paper thinyala kasayua no Pagitema a so clean Pagitema la kamakachakuvera Jihu no Jihu name a hippo copo Jihu ne cora pene Jihu no hippo copo dog Kadusuti Isila apa hippo obamulo do payro Pakalequane no Pakalequane in that day lo muni wane pune I will break no Israel born in the valleys of Israel now penny no Pakitama Kasayua Penny Terra no ya Dota Kama Athala Mudanine Le Yakabo Kakwi Israela no Akila no Kasa Kasu no Israela Apulo Le Israela Apun mano Kasaya Kama Kakwi Verapa Israela Akli mano Akila Kasa Kasu Devana no When he leaned talk with dinner no Little Kudaroni Penny Goma conceiving again and I give birth to a daughter. No Penny no Gumani aware Pagden Mala no no Gumani aware no do nigga dovera aware Pagden Mala aware of plague doverataka a pumuma no Then the Lord said to Hosea no Panicasayam see with us So Hosea mano Pagitana mala Hose Paganya Kora Hose mano Letana Kodaro Payne Pagitana mala Call her no Pagitana mala Lo Rahama no Lo Ruhama no I went in the Mako Miller Ro Ruhama Makwanemi For I will no longer show love to the house of Israel Away in metala yet the neplaro tatakwi le no pa isla pulova no thus I should ask or forgive them no the pagitana mala payni away in metala yeka plakwi no pagitana awati color no or forgive them no yeka tapi no we awati color no error dewen no yeka tapi no we awati color Penny, Peggle qua tamata no Penny Peggle qua le Paganyoklo with it. Do Pomuni de Tocador, Sissa Pumu de Galo, do you see whether you a miller lo Ruhamarki, a giddy e no yet Takanyon leba is Sheila Apahi Puba, Mimi, Yakasu talk with all do Yakasu talk with all do Pagitanamano. Talk we or so pigly law no I want to say I can talk about so pigly me so pigly a conyon no me tikatinya li no ye no sara so pigly sidane a when in patana per psychology lo se no me call kwera le kolwak law ne temi no pekite mala no longer show the house of Israel now thus I should As all forgive them, no, forgive them, no. Yes, I will show love to the house of Judah, no. When I will sit down and meet all Yakapa Plata eta wheeler, Pagamata Ella, no Pagamal, Judah Hippocopo, no, and I will save them, not by board, no, when Yakadu, Yakamapu play with him, no, didn't know who that, no. Yakamapu play, no, Yakamapu play, oh, did I know? Let them put out of Sukumo Tala, Patamo Pusicolo, no, Yakamapu play, oh, no, Kamapu play, Manutimile, no, Painy, Yakamapu play, Manutimile, no, Tevida Painy, no, nor by board, not by bullshit and made a pla, no, restore a butter, no, put it mother, door, no, put it my penny, no. Learn now, no, better sit down, no, better sit down and meet up, better sit down and meet up, let that horse and the horsemen, but by the Lord's their gods, no, when they meet up, the miller, no, because market theatre pa, no, but the theatre part me, no, he called ruler Casajua, no. Look a sajua, they are guard, no, a weather you are, no, a weather a cassa, a weather you are, no, let her know. After she has, no, because one is Lord Ruhama, no, Gamma has another son, no, Penero, Patiba learn, no, a gumani, aware uplegdo with that, no, aware a uda a pumu, no, anuvi, a lot, aware a panu and locking it, David, no, no, where uplegdo whether a puquatica, no, another son sit down when it upleged or puquatica, no, David, then the Lord said, no, we run a casayua, Teba omo, no, casas, Teba saw Hosea, no, the God said to Hosea, no, the David and call him, no, Lo ami, no, Nabako mi lo ami, no, Penny pekale quala, no, Loruhama, Penny corala no, Loruhama, no, a when it paganyok on the tuck wedding, no, me we penny, lo ami, no, a when it no, Pagatina did it, no, Dutto were a sisa quadaga, no, no penny lo, Tevra. For you are not my people, and I am not your God, no? Away ni, no, netami yepuakaluba, no, netamisico, no, yetamisico nekasayoba, no, yetamisico nekasayoba, no, yetamisico nepua tekaluba, no, nepua, netamisico yepua tekaluba, no, net yetamisico nekasaba, I don't do it, no. Yes, the Israelites will be like the sand on the seashore, no? Because mano, basa na kini po Israel puti to pani loga di turo maniti to pale painted no. Po Israel pu kamata di pole meu houle po ho the thiba, no? Which cannot be measured or the counted in the plate. Where is was said to them, no, when you know, you are not my people, they will be called son of the living God. Now, I want it to meet all, no, yepwa de glilova, Camida Rana, Pagatan Madeleine. What the do ni out of water, no, Taho the feel of Hutarani, no, away ni, Devida le Taho the Thiba Tuni, Dotakamata pe. A lola a siba or tutami leva yepago muni, no yeka siba or tumi, while a moo of qualo, a moo of quam, no? Tamilava, no Casajua Apollo, no? Tamilava, Casajua Apollo, gave it out while a moo of qua, or no, Palo. Painting the son of the living God, no living God, Sidan. No, when they meet our attack or to no, when I jola a move pukwa, no, or when they pretend my dinner, no. The people of Judas and the people of Israel will be united. Now, pretend my when they know. Pakanyola, Payuda put it pa, no, Pagana pa Isla put Lutter Third Pani, a wedding the panic wet the puho, no, and they will appointed, not they will appoint one leader and we can up out of the land, no, a wedding the kahuta, a wedding a conada way, not the god of the gamma, no, conada way, your no, because my care tall with a wedding a lot of cleaning, no. For grace will be the day of no Jisra. When he made that muni when he munile a duwe towel so no Jisra no Pagatan Mala Paini Takola Yisraela no Yisraela no Takola Yisraela. A muni made a duwe towel mutiny no Paini say of your brothers. My people and of your sister, my loving one, no. Away ni na taka sila, away ni mira your doorway, no. Away ni, no. Your brother, away ni na doorway, no. Away ni yepwa dekulu, no. Away ni yepwa kanyo, no. And of your sister, away ni mira na doorway mu, no. Away ni mira my loving one sidan I want to meet down like it or Taganilo, not Penny, love Pacanyo of Clony, Tevadile, not Siba, not Siba, to dobu qua, no, Ami, do, to dobu moon, no, use some money, no, Gilu, no, but I want to meet down Mimila, Kalawa Clony, to pay without, no. Double qua America, the planet. We park in your pony, a work with Atowada, no? Go out to double qua Ami, no? A winning, no? To double moon, Ru, no? Ruhama. A winning meet dollar, no? We tell my guma, Oplawada, a pumuga, a poquaraga, taki animal, no? Mimi le. Ye Sarela on it, I want me polar a do, no, he, love what is a poor class, no, I want me polar a do, no. Little good or I can heady Casuaniman, no. Jacob Papa Tuka, Kalo, Bamunilla, over at the sea, numerally a hotel, no. I want to start reading right here because of I reading about the Hosea chapter 1, no, verse 2 to the no verse 2 to the 11th and the chapter 2:1 no this is a comment about the Hosea wives and children. Okay, the gods told Hosea about go to the no marries no no good marries no go take to yourself an adulterous wife and children of unfaithfulness because the land guilty of the violence because no adultery and departs from the law. No, this is mean that God told the Hosea how to do about the thing and thus marries with the adulterous people. No, adultery people. This is that the gods may separate them because of the people doing adultery. This means is that the gods don't want to see about this. Okay. This means about I reading about today is the something Hosea, wife and children coming and the greater, grace, greater. This older son, older son called about the Jisra. Jisra's older son is the greater day, not this day. I come back later, okay, my friend as my brother and my sister, okay. Thank you so much today, and thank you so much to you watching, patient and listening, okay. God bless you. I will come back later. Bye bye. See you next time.